What up, what up, what up, YouTube? Yeah, man, once again, it's your boy being 100. It's that time, man. Time to do the audio in about Chevy. Man, it's been a lot going on, man. Don't forget to click and subscribe. But we in the dungeon, in the layer, in the box world. You know what, we do all the box builds. My boy BJ, you know, shouts out to him. That's my guy. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, he over there grinding. BJ, my boy over there grinding right there, you know. And yeah, man, we about to get to it, man. 1987 Chevrolet Caprice. As you can see with the audio, it's got the factory unit in that. No consoles, no kick panels, nothing molested on the car. You know, the bottom of the doors. Just dirty in there, but hey, there she go. And we got, of course, we put some air in the air shocks because there's gonna be a lot of weight in the back of the trunk with this thing. So I want to just get straight to it. What we're finna do now is do the sound deadening to this trunk using second skin Pro sheets 54. Box of this stuff will pretty much run you around about 400 bucks. A lot of people be like, man, why would you do that? But you gotta have sound deadening. As you can see, this car was all original. We're gonna sound deaden all that down because it'll be hollow. How hollow that is, that's gonna rattle like a, you know what? Trying to keep it right for the kids, but we're gonna take all this stuff out here. As you can see, this stuff is all original, man. This stuff has never been out of this car before. And try to get this off quick. Bear with me. Push off here. Like that. Yeah. And saw that, how hollow that sounds, if you can hear that. But that's a no-no. That shit will rattle like hell. It sound like a bunch of cans in there. So we're gonna sound deaden this thing, man, and we're gonna stick the second skin in there. Let me show you how thick this shit is. It's pretty good stuff. Take a good look at that. Second skin sound deadening. I usually use, if you watch some of my other videos, I use Dynomat Extreme. We're going with this new company, Second Skin. Supposed to be some pretty good stuff. Feels good, feels like a nice quality, don't have no smell to it, no odor. But mainly, we're gonna see how it works to where it, you know, deadens and sound deadens the car, which would be good for heating and cooling inside of the trunk with all that heat and whatnot. But we're gonna go from there, man. Update 1987 Chevrolet Caprice Classic sound deadening, doing the car audio. Let y'all go out here and show y'all a sweet thing. Show y'all boys, my boy BJ car scat pack. You already know what it is, man. You know how we do it. Of course, we got the Forgiatos. Yeah, man. Hope y'all like that. You know what I'm saying? I don't know 24s, you know, nothing too big, nothing no 26s and nothing like that. Just something that'll complement the car. That's a big wheel for this car, but it complements the car. The car has a automatic ride adjustment, so the car when it cranks up, it sounds like a monster. I'll do a video on my boys BJ's scat pack one day. You know, if y'all want to see that video of this car in full, let me know in the comment sections below. It's got the 392, because you know everybody just ain't in the Chevys. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna woo, woo, woo. Let you hear that. video out looking at thing now, man. I try to keep my videos short and sweet, you know. But we're gonna get on that 1987 Chevrolet Caprice Classic build. And that's what we about to do. We about to go crazy. Yeah. Stay tuned, subscribe, pin 100, man. Let's do it. And my boy VJ about to do the audio. Let's go.